Desmond Show.
Oba, I think you should go and sit down there.
Go!
Oba, go inside your room and do your homework.
I've done it.
Your assignment, the one your lesson teacher gave you.
I've done it.
Go and do your painting.
I've done it.
Just go inside your room and do something. Go and do something in your room. Or what are you watching? What are you watching? Go and watch the TV inside the room.
Watch.
Go inside the room.
Every time mommy is here, you used to send me inside.
Just go to your room and do your work, Jerry, and stop asking me questions.
It's just like you.
Who do you expect that to take after? Oh, what's that?
Mama, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
I broke. Oh, I broke. I just 2,000 naira from you.
I don't have money.
Please. This is now 1,000.
See, there's no money in this house. I don't have money.
There's no money.
500.
Even 200. I didn't mean you were here yesterday. I would have given you even 10,000 naira. But you came at the wrong time.
So you don't think 200 and give me?
You came at the wrong time. There's no money in this house. The last 2,000 I have in this house was when I used to register my wife for antenatal. There's no money.
Daddy, yeah.
But Obafemi, there's no money in this house.
So you have money? So you have money? So you have money? You say you don't get money for this house. You say you don't get money for this house.
There's no money in this house.
So you say you don't get.
There's no money in this house. Stop!
I will return that for you.
There's no money in this house.
Don't worry.
Obafemi.
MC Desmond Cares.